Hi, I'm Don Pineda, independent affiliate of Karatbars. So how does a classic Karatbar gold card compare with other gold cards out there? Well, let's compare it to another gold product that uses optical security image. So I'm talking about the Union Bank of Switzerland Kinegram. All right. So this specific product, let me just tell you more about it. And I'm sorry if you can't really see the details of this gold product, but the gold is encased by a clear plastic, okay? And the gold itself has fine markings in it. So that will include um, the weight of the gold, which is 1 gram, how fine it is, which is 999.9 fine gold. Also has Switzerland printed on it, as well as the logo of the melter and assayer of the gold. And at the bottom of the gold is a series of numbers, I guess to identify, which batch it came from, which is similar to, I'm sorry, I had it upside down, which is similar to the series of numbers on the card itself. All right, so that is the front of the card of the UBS Kinegram. At the back of the card, at the top part of it is a signature of the assayer of the gold. Now in the middle, I hope you can see it, it kind of changed in color. That is the Kinegram technology, okay, which is an optical security image, which is attached at the back part of the gold, okay? Looks pretty neat, huh? Nice. I like it. All right. Now, let's compare this product with the Karatbar's classic gold card. For comparison, okay? And here is the Karatbar's classic gold card. All right. For Karatbar's, again, hopefully you can see it. The gold is actually in the middle, and it has similar markings, similar to what Kinegram has. The fineness, the weight, the melter and assayer, what else? A series of numbers to identify which batch it came from. And then on this side of the card duplicates the same information that is actually on the gold. All right, again, the fineness, the weight, as well as the signature of the CEO of Herald size of Karatbars. I'm referring to Herald size. At the back part of the card, again, same information over here. Now the gold is right over here in the middle. Okay. As you can see, it actually changed in color. Now, for UBS, it's Kinegram. For Karatbars, they call it hologram technology. All right. Now, you can't really see it, but aside from the optical security image, it also has a printed uh, signature of Karatbars, as well as, again, a series of numbers, totally different from the series of numbers on the gold. Okay, so that is the Karatbar's classic gold card. It is actually encased in a very rigid, tough credit card sized plastic. All right. However, aside from the hologram technology, this also comes with additional features. One is that the gold is actually bathed in a unique DNA coating. All right, that's one additional. The second one is that it contains hidden genetic markings on the gold as well as on the card that is only visible by blacklight technology. By the way, the DNA coating is only identifiable with an sDNA reader. Okay, so if you compare both when it comes to security features, I would say the Karatbars has an advantage because it has two additional security features, right? All right. Now, maybe you're thinking because of the additional security features, the Karatbar Classic Gold card will be more expensive. Actually, no. This is more expensive. So this is around, if you convert it into dollars, it's about $108, which includes $31 of shipping. All right. Now, for the Karatbar's Classic Gold card, it's around $87, which already includes the shipping if it's converted into dollar from euro. All right, so that's around $20 of savings, right? And that's great. It has additional features. At the same time, it's actually more affordable. Not only that, if you actually go online and buy this product, they will allow you to actually store your gold for free for about a year. And after that, they're gonna charge you. With Karatbars, you can actually store your golds in the Karatbar's gold vault as long as you want. And then once you have enough gold, you can have it shipped to you one time to save on shipping costs, okay? Now at the same time, online merchants actually require a purchase of at least $500. So if you have less than $500, they won't even talk to you. All right, also, if you are buying this online, you are just a customer. And here is the biggest difference. If you are buying a Karatbar's Classic Gold cards, well, yes, you can just be a customer if you want to. However, they also give you a choice to become an affiliate. That means you are a customer and more, which means you can actually make money by showing other people how to save gold. That's great, right? Okay, so those are the difference between these two. So I think we can pretty much, conclude which is the clear winner, right? More affordable, free storage, right? And you can actually become an affiliate and make money by collecting gold from Karatbars. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, smash the like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.